This is what it has been like for the last 6 days. Magic doesn't like it. Do you, Magic? It has been nothing but pouring down rain here in the woods. Absolutely soggy. My garden is probably waterlogged now because living in the woods, I don't have a lot of sunlight, as you can see, for these very, 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 very tall trees. They block out all the sun. So it's difficult for me to get my garden plants to really grow as it is. And then we get stuck. You hear that thunder? We get stuck with 6 days of rain. My power has gone out, what, 4 or 5 times now, every day because of the rain. Thankfully, I do have some solar lights that I charged, and I'm trying not to use them unless absolutely necessary. And I have candles, of course. But this rain, look at that on the window. You can't even see out the window for all the rain. Look at that. All this rain. I haven't been able to go outside, so the tarp has gotten blown off the cat run. But it's okay because it's not raining in the cat run. And I have been keeping myself busy indoors. I made a blanket for my grandson, my youngest grandson, the one that just had surgery. He's due to have surgery again next week. But look at that. Oh, there was lightning. My yard is starting to flood. My cats really hate weather like this. They get scared of the thunder and the lightning. And that is the reflection. Let's see if I can see where I'm pointing. That is the reflection from my light. So it's not sunlight. It is actually storming. Oh, and something else that I use, which is fabulous. I use these. These are battery operated, watch out kitty. These are battery operated lights that are also motion sensors. I bought them last year because the power does go out so often at this place. And you never know if it's going to be day or night when it happens. So, I went ahead and bought those so that I could see. But this is what it looks like now. Ugh, what a mess. Yep. Anyway, mentally, yeah, this really messes with my head. But what are you gonna do, right? You can't control the weather. So, I hope it's better where you are. Namaste. Have a great day.